All right, Todd with Jeep Speed Shop here to talk about some wiring. So grounds, really important, seem to be forgotten and or not really looked at. So this is a 07 to 11 Jeep JK. Here's the ground from the stock JK 3.8 liter harness. I always ground it to the starter lug, okay? And then a wire from the harness, we ground it to this front lug. Now you can also ground it also to the starter if you want, but this is where we placed it. One other ground is up by the 3 connectors for the computer. This one goes on the or not on the firewall, but the inner fender of the JK. So this is only the wiring harnesses from 7 to 11, okay, on the JKs. So, all right, we always just talking about grounds because they seem to be forgotten or people don't know exactly where to put them. So just going over the grounds on this Hemi conversion JK with an 8-speed. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.